Vital? Vital. I think his name is Vital. Hi, Vital. No. Wow. Wow. Wow, we weren't there. We were scared. Whoa. Look at his tongue. Kitty, kitty, kitty. Hi, Vital. Hi, Vital. Hello, kitty, kitty, kitty.
Look at that. He's showing off.
How's the day today?
Come here, baby.
How are you doing?
Get the orange one.
Ask him how he's doing.
Come here.
Yeah, he's over on the other side.
The red wine for tiger sprays.
Hello, kitty. You know how old is he?
Down on the ground?
I think they're 4.5 or 5.
There are two. Another one over there.
Oh, you're
2 years old.
Then they
maybe.
replaced him with 2 others.
Almost.
That's Stonewall.
Are you almost?
Yeah.
Yes?
Or no?
Yes or no?
You should know.
You said no? Are you almost? Almost?
Look at its ears. Aren't they beautiful?
Bagheera? I think the other one is Bagheera.